Story Rainbow of Kindness. Once upon a time, in a vibrant village, lived six friends: Emma, Jax, Lila, Cato, Jack, and Julian. Each represented a different color of rainbow. One day, Mr. Thompson, their teacher, asked them to help an elderly neighbor, Mr. Jenkins, who had lost his wife. His house was in disarray and he struggled to cope. The friends decided to work together using their unique talents. Emma Red brought warmth with her delicious cooking. Jack's Orange shared his gardening skills to revive Mr. Jenkins' garden. Leila Yellow brightened the house with her sunny artwork. Cato Green fixed broken items with his handyman skills. Jack Blue soothed Mr. Jenkins with his calming music. Julian Violet listened attentively, offering comforting words. As they worked, they discovered Mr. Jenkins' stories and tears. They saw beyond his struggles and found a kind, gentle soul. The friends returned daily, spreading kindness and compassion. Slowly, Mr. Jenkins' heart healed. One day, the sun broke through the clouds and a majestic rainbow appeared. Their friends realized their combined colors created something breathtaking. Moral of the story: everyone has a story worth hearing. Every small act of kindness matters. Empathy and compassion can change the world. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.